excited today. I want to share and review and do a review about Sqribble. Sqribble is an ebook creator. If you are wanting and desiring to create your own ebooks, professional ebooks, this is the way to go. Getting this Sqribble software, you don't have any monthly fees. All right, there's tools that you can have. As you can see, I have the whole package, and it took me a while to get all of these tools, but to get Sqribble right now, it is very affordable to get the whole package. And then when you get in your back office, you can add your own personal ebook store, Sqribble. You can add your audio ebooks. It records audio ebooks for you. It's called Talkable. Then you have Sendable. You can send off your ebooks wherever, unlimited, places where you and pages and websites. You can submit your ebooks all over the world with Submitter. Sqribble, this is what you get. Okay, Sqribble is affordable right now. It's a cost of a dinner. So you can check out the link below under my channel description. Hi everyone, welcome back. I just wanted to share with you the website of Sqribble. Sqribble is $53 off this month in December 2023. I just want to share with all of you. If we go to, let's go to the coupon offer. All right, so you can click on these if you want them, but if you proceed to the checkout, and today's deal of the month applies Santa. Of course, Santa is a Christmas special price for all of you if you get Sqribble. The Sqribble is actually $67. But if you use the coupon, it is $29.48. So, what do you get with Sqribble? You get the whole back office, like you have just, what I have just shown in the previous video. There's a lot more to it. If you want to learn more about Sqribble, I do have other videos that I share with you in the back office, what you get as a basic, just the basic software. And if you want additional tools, if you want to take your business up higher levels, then just go ahead and upgrade. All right, you can do a lot of things with Sqribble. There is no monthly fees, and that's what I like about it, because if you get other different ebook softwares, they do charge monthly. And so we want to avoid any type of monthly fee. It should just be the software itself. But this is a great software. I've had it for quite a while, a couple years, probably like 5 years. A lot of people enjoy this software. Make use of it, especially if you're a writer or you love creating ebooks for other people and clients. This is a great deal for all of you. So click on the link under the description. First, watch the video, the presentation on this website. Okay, let me go back. All right, so what I need you to do is 80% off right now, everyone. So it's a great deal. You just unmute this, and it will share with you everything that you can have with Sqribble. Okay, so ebooks are in demand, 50 hot templates, 300 styles, layout, unlimited pages, sell it to clients, easy to use, 15 niche categories, auto content writer. I love what I'm the most about is that it makes the content for you. Commercial license, agency website, and more. So if you click down, there's no installation required. Okay, this is a software that you just download. Like I say, special price, $53 off from the $67. Just keep scrolling down this website. You're gonna get excited what it offers you today. Regular price is $197. Today's $67, but take off $53, you get it for $29. Again, let's go back to the price. Apply Santa again. So I'm gonna just do it again. All right, Santa. All right, Santa's gonna give you an awesome discount for $29.48. Okay, so get excited if you're ready to make and create ebooks for school, maybe for a project that you have, for an event, for someone, for a client, for other businesses. You want to write, you want to sell ebooks and promote your book, go ahead and get your product today. All right, this is the best. It's still the best. It's #1 ebook software creator that you can own for life. All right. Okay, everyone, take care. Thank you for watching my video, and watch for the latest Sqribble review that I will be promoting. I'm always promoting Adil Chowdhury. He's a CEO of all of his products are just excellent. It's the top of the list for me, and it will be the top of the list for you too as well. All right, take care. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Watch the latest videos. I'm always making content for you, fresh content, something to help you grow in your advancement, in your business, in your life, and with your mindset. All right, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.